I'm Mike Brown, and I'm Peasmarsh Joinery, and I do joinery. I make anything, windows, doors, stairs, over the years, all sorts of things. We do it how it should be, really, and comply with regulation. And the one which is okay for us to carry on using is the BVC on our sander, because that has to have a metal box because of sparks and explosive, like all dust particles. Every job basically that goes out of here is sanded, so therefore the BVC machine is used to take the dust off, and has always worked for what we need. It's there and it's where it is and does what it's doing, and everybody's happy, so fine. In terms of when I bought it, I would think late 70s, to be honest. That's been there all that time. Yes, I would recommend them. It served me well. Anytime I want parts, which not very often, they're readily available, and we've got good service in responding to our needs, and they do the good job, you know.